There we go, two-wheel drive maintenance mode. Stay tuned and I will show you all the steps. All right guys, I just got in the vehicle and we're gonna put this vehicle in maintenance mode. So here we go. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna push this button 2 times. 1, 2. That's gonna put it in accessory mode. You're gonna step on the gas pedal 2 times. 1, 2. Step on the brake. Okay, and then you're gonna shift this to neutral, just like that. Step on the gas 2 times again. Step on the brake, put it in park. Okay, and then when you do that, you're gonna step on the gas 2 more times. And then it says it puts it in two-wheel drive maintenance mode. And all you gotta do is step on the brake and hit power. And boom, voila, two-wheel drive maintenance mode. Okay, so I'm gonna do that again. So all you have to do is to turn off this vehicle from maintenance mode, all you'd have to do is power it off. So we're gonna go through the steps one more time. Super easy to do. I'm gonna show you how to do this yourself. Here we go. I'm gonna repeat the steps right now. All right, so let's power it off. Power it off. I'm gonna just kind of open the door, close it again. It's gonna go away. Look at the front. Here we go. I'm turning on the accessory 2 times. 1, 2. All right, here we go. Step on the throttle. 1, 2. Step on the brake. Put it in neutral. Okay. Step on the gas. 1, 2. Step on the brake. Put it in park. And then you're gonna step on the throttle again. 1, 2. And then you're gonna step on the brake. And it's gonna pop up two-wheel drive maintenance mode. Step on the brake and hit power. Power's up. Boom. Maintenance mode. And it's gonna stay in maintenance mode until you turn off the power. Okay, so once you don't want it in maintenance mode, just power it off again. Okay, so that's how you guys do it. All right, pretty easy process. I can show you again if you'd like. Do it one more time. I just powered it off. We're gonna hit this again 2 times. Nothing's on the throttle. 1, 2. 1, 2. Step on the brake. Put it in neutral. Step on the throttle. 1, 2. Put it in brake. Put it in park. Again. 1, 2. Put it in brake. Hit power. And boom. It's going to go back in maintenance mode. All right. So this keeps the vehicle running. This is good for when you want to do, you want to add coolant or something. Or you just need to keep the engine running, So that's how you do it. Just wanted to show you guys. It's not too difficult, pretty easy to do, really. It's just a series of steps. But yeah, it's running great. This Prius is running awesome right now. 190,516 miles. And the only thing I need to do is I just need to put on the 12-volt charger for the battery, because again, I don't drive this vehicle very much. It's just kind of sitting here because my son is in college and he's not needing the vehicle while he's in college. So that's about it.